Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another pre-market analysis. In this video, we're going to see the important levels for the Bank Nifty and Nifty. So, what we have here in front of us is the Bank Nifty 5 minutes chart, and this is yesterday's price action. So what we have done is we have done all these important levels. We have marked all these levels as zones, so you need to be extra careful if market is anywhere near or at this zone. Okay, and if you find any major reversal signs at these zones, then you can take that advantage of identifying those patterns. And if your risk versus reward ratio permits you, then you can make use of that opportunity in many ways. All right, so let's get started. So what we have here is a 5 minutes price action of Bank Nifty from yesterday, and based on that, as you can clearly see that when the market is here for two times, it has seen a very strong rejection, and most of the times it was under this area only. So this is of course going to play an important level for today's price action. And also similarly, what we have here is coming from this swing high. So this swing high, in the past, it has acted as a very good resistance area. On that particular day, if you see the kind of momentum that it gave after when it was here after this bearish engulfing pattern, and for the second time when you have seen an inside candle formation there, a breakout from there has given us an excellent move towards the downside. So when the market is here, and after that, whenever Bank Nifty was there at that level yesterday, because earlier this was resistance, and now that Bank Nifty is coming from the top, it becomes the support. So whenever it is here, it has seen us a support taken at that level, and we can see that a couple of times. So even this level now is going to act as an important level, so this zone. And apart from that, of course, this is going to be an important level. Okay, and on the downside, you can see that this swing low is never tested. So if we have to see a very fast break down towards the downside, then this level is worth watching, because that is the level which gave us that is still holding. Okay, so on a longer time frame, sorry, on a longer perspective, if you see this is pretty much holding up. Okay, this was broken, but after that, after this got created, it is literally holding up. Okay, and these two are also holding up. So if this breaks, and if you get a proper, if this breaks, and if you happen to see a retracement towards this level, and if you see only after seeing a strong negative candlestick pattern there, any major reversal pattern there, then you can plan towards the downside. Otherwise, you have to be extremely careful if it is going towards the upper side, because Nifty is standing at all-time high resistance, which is acting pretty good for the Nifty. So Bank Nifty cannot bypass the Nifty and go. But if you see a momentum there for the Nifty, if it is going towards the upper side, then you can definitely plan towards the upper side, but you need to be extra careful about that. But what if you see a small rise there and a pullback here? Then again you have a chance. Okay, and if you see a breakout with a proper retracement and a confirmation candles here, then there is a chance for the upside momentum as well. But anything happens in between here, in that zone, or in this zone, you should consider it as a sideways action, even here. Okay, so only you have a chance to capture the momentum there. So please be careful with all these levels. Okay, and moreover, you should be trading with less quantities. We don't recommend you to trade in large quantities. You should trade only with one lot until you are very confident about your trades, and you are confident that you are in a profits for for the last 3 months consistently. Okay, so that is how the Bank Nifty is, and these are the important levels. These levels doesn't mean that okay, when it is approaching here, from there it will suddenly fall, or from here if it is approaching here, it will suddenly rise. No, you should. These are the watch out levels. You should watch what's happening here, and you should take action based on the price action. If it is giving you a positive breakout with a confirmation candle, you should be able to identify whether it is a false breakout, or you should be able to notice if it is a bearish sign or a bullish sign. Okay, but these are the levels to watch in the bank nifty. Okay, now let's quickly change. And moreover, looking at the global cues today, we may see some flat opening or with a very small gap down or a very small gap up in the today's market. So be prepared for that. So the next thing is our Nifty's chart, which is this. As you can see clearly, okay, this topmost gray zone is almost at a high, and it is also a psychological round number, that is 22,500. So this definitely is going to act as a resistance, and if you see any price action happening in between, you should consider it as a sideways action, and this is the level to watch for the supports. And if it breaks, if you see a positive confirmation for the breakout with a confirmation candle or a retracement, and if you find any, only if you find any negative candlestick formation there, from there you can see towards the downside, where this may act as a minor support, and further down you have this as your major support coming from the last price action that we have seen there. And also, to be positive, you need to see a close above this with a confirmation candle. But remember, we don't have any reference on the left to support our vision, because this is an all-time high, so you need to be extra careful with that. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you have understood these levels in both the nifty and the bank nifty. Let's see after our market. Let's catch up in our post-market analysis video. Until then, happy trading, but be careful with your quantity. Thank you.